Hey everyone, it's Nick Denzer from the Pharma Navigator team. Today I'm going to show you how to onboard your CDMO onto the platform. So by now you already know what the Pharma Navigator is and how it works. Today I'm going to show you how to include your CDMO or CMO into the platform. So the very first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to sign up. So we are going to register as a CDMO representative. So we'll input our information. Now we're going to go ahead and verify our email address. So we're going to go over here, and we're going to check our email, and we're going to see, here it is, Pharma Navigator. Welcome to the Pharma Navigator. Thank you for signing up. Please confirm your email address to activate your account and get started with the algorithm CDMO base matching. I'm going to go ahead and confirm our email address, and now we are in the platform. From here, we need to fill out our CDMO application so users can connect with us. Now we're going to select our primary capabilities. So we're going to select the main therapeutic areas and manufacturing capabilities that our CMO or CDMO has. From those umbrellas, like small molecule, we're going to select exactly what detailed services we do provide. So we're going to say API manufacturing, topical/dermal, inhalation products, oral solid dosage, controlled substances, and drug product formulation. From the biologics umbrella, we're going to select fusion proteins, biosimilars, sterile fill finish, and microbial fermentation. Now we're going to select the typical batch sizes that we support and work with. We'll say everything from research scale all the way to small commercial and large commercial. Our preferred client type. So do we like to work with early stage startups, mid-sized pharma companies, academic institutions, larger pharma companies, or biotech companies, or government/nonprofits? We'll say biotech, mid-sized pharma, and large pharma. Development stages that we support. We'll say that we support everything from preclinical research and development all the way to commercial manufacturing and transfer support, tech transfer support. Our preferred project types, we'll say we do everything from feasibility studies, method development, scale-up support, full manufacturing, regulatory support, tech transfer, and process development. Now we're going to provide some key operational information about our facilities and processes. So let's talk about compliance. What certifications do we hold? We are FDA compliant, EMA, Health Canada. We will say TGA for Australia, PMDA for Japan. We can write out our specific detailed facility locations here. We're going to skip that for now. And we can also select our typical speed to start new projects. So let's say extended, we typically start 2 to 3 months. Now we have a toggle switch here. Are we willing to conduct feasibility studies or exploratory work before full project commitment? We'll say yes. Now finally, are we startup friendly? Are we open to working with early stage companies with smaller batch sizes? We'll say yes. Now I can review and submit my application. So I can see all the information I inputted, and we'll go ahead and double check that. And once I'm happy with that, I can go ahead and submit my application. For our pilot CDMOs, their CDMO will pop up and populate in the database absolutely for free. So whether or not you are a premium plan holder or a basic plan holder, your CDMO will show up in the database absolutely for free. So now when a user goes to match, they can find Endenzer CDMO, the one we just created. Now we have our CDMO in the database. Now what? So let's say a biotech company went through, filled out all of this information, and they found that Endenzer CDMO was their top match. So they went ahead and they sent a warm introduction request to Endenzer CDMO. Well, once that happens, you'll receive an email, but it'll also show up here in your notification bell. We have a new introduction request. You have received a new introduction request, upgraded premium to see full details. So we're going to come over here to the CDMO dashboard. where we can see all of our warm introduction requests. So right here, we can see the project requirements, the product type. It is a small molecule and biologics product. We have the services needed from API manufacturing, analytical characterization, biosimilars, drug product formulation, high potency APIs, fusion proteins, etc. We have the development stage of that company, and we have the batch size that they're requesting, as well as the timeline. So if ultimately we see this and we decide, you know what, this is a great project for us, we have the capabilities, we are able to do a project like this, we can go ahead and subscribe to Premium to connect directly with this warm lead. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to click View Plans, and we're going to sign up for the CDMO Premium Access, which is going to allow us to see that warm introduction, see that warm lead, and connect directly with them. So we're going to go, this is just the mock-up price. Obviously that is not the real price, but we're going to click Start Receiving Introductions. We're going to enter our billing information, and then we are going to sign up for the account. And we're going to click Subscribe. All right, the payment has been successful. Welcome to Premium. So now if we come over to our CDMO dashboard, we'll be able to see the user's information, including their name and their email address. So from here, I can go ahead and reach out to them outside of the platform using their email if I would like to do so, or I could go ahead and accept the introduction request and start a conversation with them directly on the platform. And that is how you onboard your CDMO onto the Pharma Connect Navigator and get connected with your new biotech pharmaceutical leads.